really like this code camp, both for what we did and for the people that were there. You, the teacher, I really like how you teach, etc. And it is a topic I'm very interested about, like Python, Pygame, and also OpenAI and artificial intelligence. I'm actually happy I signed up and I participated in this course because it was really good.
We have Marie. Say hello, Marie.
Hi.
Marie has created a chatbot using the API key from ChatGPT. So it asks you what kind of chatbot we wanted. Okay.
Yes, for healthcare bot.
We asked for a healthcare chatbot, and then it says,
We asked how to avoid the flu,
yes.
and he responded.
And here is our code for doing that. Excellent. Well done, Marie.
This is my second year at Code Camp, and yeah, this year we have a really big community, and it's really cool because we help each other and we learn a lot and have some fun.
Mi è piaciuto moltissimo, anche ne ho fatti molti di campi estivi qua a coding, mi è piaciuto molto anche per la varietà di robe, forse un pochino più da grandi.
It's interesting. I have learned to program fun games of my own, and also interesting facts about technology and cybersecurity. And the teacher is a really interesting person.
Quest'anno, anche se è da 5 anni che sono qui, mi sono divertito molto, soprattutto programmando Python, che non ha funzionato subito ovviamente, ma dopo un lavoro di debugging sono riuscita a farlo funzionare e ho avuto una grandissima soddisfazione.
You can learn a lot of things that in another normal camp you can't learn.
Coding camp made me get more interested in coding and it helped me start off. So it's been really nice.
Code camp, it's lovely. It's the first year I do it. Really wanted to make a video game of my own, and now I have.